Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today, we're reviewing something that looks straight out of a spy movie, Handi Beam Glasses. These LED glasses claim to improve visibility, boost safety, and deliver hands-free lighting with a powerful rechargeable COB XTE light system. But the big question is, are Handi Beam glasses really worth buying, or is this just another overhyped gadget? Let's break it down. According to the seller, Handi Beam glasses come with built-in LED lights that offer adjustable brightness modes. They're marketed for mechanics, night fishing, camping, emergency repairs, and basically any low-light task. The idea sounds convenient. Just wear them, switch them on, and you've got instant light exactly where you're looking. No headlamp straps. No holding a flashlight in your mouth. They also claim the lights are rechargeable and powerful enough to replace traditional headlamps. Sounds impressive, right? Here's where you need to be careful. First, similar LED light glasses are widely available online at much lower prices under different brand names. That means Handi Beam may not be a unique invention. It could simply be rebranded. Second, check the website carefully. Are there verified customer reviews outside their own site? Is there clear company information, contact details, and a realistic return policy? Many viral gadget ads rely on flashy demos but lack transparency. Third, performance claims like high-power lighting can be subjective. COB and XTE LEDs are common components used in affordable headlamps. So, while the product may work, it might not be as revolutionary as advertised. So, are Handi Beam glasses a scam? Not necessarily. But are they revolutionary? Probably not. They may be a convenient gadget if priced reasonably. However, before buying, compare prices on other platforms, read independent reviews, and avoid impulse purchases based on viral ads. Remember, smart shopping is safe shopping. If you found this review helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Online Scam Advisor for more honest reviews. Stay safe and shop smart. Thank you.